Jenny here at Vitreus Art, just bringing you our enamelling workshop. This takes place in an afternoon where you get to make several pieces of copper jewellery, and we'll be using glass enamels and then firing them in the kiln. So the process is that we counter enamel the back, as you can see on these two little pieces here, and the counter enamel helps stop the copper from misshaping in the kiln in the heat. We then take the pieces out of the kiln and clean the fronts up. They will have oxidized in the heat, so we need to make them clean before we can put the decoration on the front of them. So we'll get them nice and clean and then we'll decorate them. This little one here, it's a snowflake, and I've used white enamel for background and a little piece of blue millefiori for the center. And this little one next to it, again, I've counter enameled the back, and then I've used some orange and teal on the front. And we finished them both off with corresponding necklaces. And you'll just see over my left shoulder here, lots of different colours that you'll be able to choose on the day. Again, it's an afternoon's workshop. You get to make lots of pieces, and all the details, as always, are on our website. Hope to see you soon. Bye.